putting a project all together. So first off, we have soldered a coin battery clip with a resistor, and then also the coin battery clip to a switch in previous tutorials and videos. So in this case, we're going to put everything together. I'm just going to zoom in here a tiny bit. All right, so we're going to do some testing here. So first off, we have the LEDs all soldered together in parallel. The long leg or the positive side of the LED have all been connected together. The short leg or negative side of the LEDs have all been connected on the far side together. Now it's about doing a simple test. Before we do anything in soldering, let's just make sure everything works. So the coin battery is installed. All right, so if we were to take the resistor and hold the resistor to the tape on this side, and then on this side, if I was to take the switch wire and connect it, and it's going to be hard to do this without, maybe I can turn it like this, and touch it to the tape on this side, you can see the lights are coming on, right? If I just hold it there tight. Okay, so it does work. Now, if I take the switch, I'm just going to move this up a tiny bit, and turn the switch off, now they don't come on. All right, turn the switch on, now it comes on. We're just confirming that everything works. All right, now that we know that it all works, let's solder it together. Oh look, the switch is staying there. Let's solder it right there. So we're just going to zoom in a bit more. Right? Doesn't really matter where the wires get soldered on at this point in time. They're all in parallel, so it really doesn't matter. So I'm going to take this wire here, and all I'm going to do is hold the solder pencil to it and apply some solder. Whoops, I got stuck there. And we're done. And we'll just check, make sure it holds. Yep, it's holding. It's not going anywhere. And then on the far side, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to sneak this in a bit. And I'm just going to slide this resistor underneath one of the LEDs. So I'm just going to do that. And I'm actually going to go to the first one. There we go. All right. And again, just take the solder pencil and solder and apply solder to it. And there we go. And just test it. It's not going anywhere. There's our project working. Okay. Take the switch, off it goes. Turn the switch on it goes. All that's left now is to carefully bend things up and bend the wires around and hide them in behind. And that would be the completion of a project. But very simple, straightforward, how to solder things, check to make sure they're working.